Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will be talking about component properties. This is the new update from the Figma on the config 2022. Before we start this video, be sure to like and subscribe. Let's go! So as we can see, I have prepared components here in which are already prepared with its component properties. So first off, on our button, we have 4 types of button here. This is the button which is a primary type at an state of default, and the second one is the primary type also but on a state of hover. There is also another type which is secondary but default and hover as well. So by this one, I have prepared 2 types for the button and 2 types for the state. I do not have to prepare now the types for the icons and etc. So what I did was on the button component, I have added a component property which is boolean, instance swap, and text. As for the icon, I created 2 types of component properties. The boolean, in which the icons will be gone or they will be seen. So we will be seeing this right after I explain further. So for the instance swap is so that I can swap icons that are available on this file, and for the text is to change the text or label of the icon. So how we can do that? Let's duplicate the icon and let's try it here. So we have now an child component of our button which has the type primary or secondary, the state for hover or default. Now if we want the icons to be enabled, we just have to enable this or by default or just remove it. So we can now change the label. Submit. Let's try submit. Now it is changed. But what if we want to use the icon but different type of it? Let's enable the icon and then let's choose from our components available in this file. So let's go to miscellaneous and icons. Now I have arrows here, set of components that I have prepared. So we need to choose for this one. So there you go. You don't have to prepare more icons for this, but just have prepare the components, individual components for the icons. So let's jump further into a bigger example. In this type of card, I have prepared 2 types of this. The info type of card, which is the blue one, and the warning type of card, which is the yellow one. So for the title, I have set it into a text property. So here, text property, I added text property, and for the content as well, since we might interchange the contents for here. And if we wanted the chips to be seen or being hide, we'll just have to close the chips here since I have set it into a boolean. So boolean property, component property, can be used only if there are things or parts of your component that you want to be hidden or seen. Now for the instance swap, I have used the images, so we can swap other images that are already present in this file. So let's try using this component. Ctrl C then Ctrl V. So now we have an instance of this component. Let's just click this so we can change this into warning or info. And we don't want the chips, so let's remove that one. Show button, we can hide the button. For the images, let's choose from these selections available. There you go. And text, there you go. So we have an option also if we want to show our image or not. This is also set as an boolean property. So there you go, guys. Now you know how this three component property works: the boolean, instance swap, and text. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something. Be sure to subscribe in this YouTube channel and comment down what are your thoughts. I'll be sure to reply to each and every one of that. Thank you, and